What's up, Scott? It's me, Brandon here with a tutorial on Google Classroom. Now we are in the To Do tab. You get it just from clicking these lines right here. Going under Enroll To Do right here shows you all the assignments you have: missing, not due, well, no due date, and then due soon. So this one's due today, tomorrow, Saturday, May 15th, June 5th. Anyway, there's also a different way to get to your assignments that are due. On Calendar, select them to different classes. Say integrated right here. Select them to different days or different weeks. Right here, I'm just gonna go through this assignment, and you could like add work, create a new document, new slide, new sheets, new drawings. Usually, just add it from the drive. You could add whatever you want from the drive. You could add videos. You could add images. Basically anything. I'm just gonna add an image from my math class that I did earlier today. Yeah, there's also this is how you usually just like turn in like an essay or like just a worksheet assignment. There's also just like there's also quizzes, and see right here, this is a run-on game, just a quiz basically. You don't really need to attach work. You just mark it as done, and each and it'll notify your teacher that you've completed it, and then they can just like look at the quiz, see if you actually completed it. So yeah, that's pretty easy. Anyways, that is about it. Have a good day, y'all.